Today's thought for the day is, never mind about your past. Go forward because success is waiting for you. I repeat, never mind about your past. Go forward because success is waiting for you. It means we should not worry about what happened in our past. We should keep moving forward to our future. One day, definitely we'll get the success. This is today's thought of the day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye.